Hello all. In this session, we'll discuss about how to reverse a number and how to check if a number is palindrome. Firstly, we'll discuss about how to reverse a number. Let us write a code for it. This is the program. First, we are taking the user input, enter the number. This is a function called reverse. We are passing number. This is a function definition. Initially, in the function definition, reverse number equal to 0. In while loop, there is a condition n greater than 0. Whatever the past number, that should be greater than 0. So here, digit equal to n percentile 10, modular division. Okay, and reverse number equal to reverse number multiply by 10 plus digit, n equal to n floor division or integer divided by 10, return equal to reverse number. So let us take one example. 1 5, assume that entered number is 15. Initially reverse number equal to 0, 15 greater than 0, true. Now digit equal to n percentile 10, so d equal to 5. Reverse number r equal to reverse number initial value 0 multiply by 10, that means 0 plus digit, 0 plus 5. So reverse number equal to 5. Then n equal to n floor division 10. So here n becomes 1 because quotient value will be taken here. Then n equal to 1, 1 greater than 0, true. Now again d equal to 1 percentile 10, that means d equal to 1 again. Rn equal to reverse number. What is the previous value of reverse number? Equal to 5. 5 multiplied by 10, 50. 50 plus digit. What is the latest digit value? 1. 50 plus 1. So Rn equal to 51. Then n 1 floor division 10. So n value equal to 0 now. Now condition 0 greater than 0 false. So returning reverse number 51 will be returned here. It is collected here and we are printing REV, that is reverse number value. So likewise, if you pass any number, this logic works. We'll run couple of values and we'll check the result. We'll remove this, enter the value 15. It should return 51. Yeah, reverse number 51. Correct. We'll check one more value. This time we'll try 1 to 1. It should return 1 to 1. Yeah, correct. One more value, we'll check it out. Enter the number. We can take 1435. So we should get 5341. 5341. Correct. Now, if check if a number is palindrome. So what is palindrome? A palindrome is a word, phrase, number or sequence that reads the same backward as forward. Let us take the number 121. This is the original number. Try to reverse the number. So again 121. Both are same. So this number is a palindrome. Likewise, we can validate. So we'll write a code for the same. In this program, we'll slightly modify. Let us take temp equal to num. Here we will pass temp instead of num. Then here this logic works. Now we'll write if condition. If num equal to rev, print Yeah, this is the logic. So in the same program, reverse number, we have slightly modified the code. We have taken temp, another variable, temp equal to num. In the function call, we are passing the temp value. Okay. The same logic works here. After getting reverse number, whatever the reverse number, we'll get it here. We need to check the original value num with rev. If both are equal, that particular number is palindrome. If not equal, that is not palindrome. We'll check now. Enter the number. Same one what we had discussed. We'll pass the same number 1 to 1. It should say it is a palindrome. Yeah, reverse number is 1 to 1. The 1 to 1 is palindrome. Correct. One more example. Let us take 134. So reverse number is 431. It should say number is not a palindrome. See, 134, 431. The 134 is not a palindrome. Okay. Likewise, one more. 1, 2, 1. What it should say? It should say 1, 2, 2, 1 is a palindrome. Yeah, reverse number also same. The 1, 2, 2, 1 is palindrome. That's all for this session.